So let's begin now. I will show you some pictures. Okay, first I'll show you some pictures. We are going to have interaction. Okay, you share your thoughts. It's very simple. Okay, very simple. So let me share. Yes. Yes. What do you see in the picture? Classroom. Yeah, classroom. Okay. Yes, Anish. Then Vishnu. Okay, talk about this picture. Let's have a discussion on this picture. Let's go back to our primary classes. Hmm.
Ma'am, two students are not there.
Two of them not absent. Huh? Who is that absent? Hmm? Okay, absent. Yeah, then that is what Alan found out from the picture. Okay. Okay, so this is a classroom. And what do you see? What do you understand from this picture? So Aparna told me the point. Teacher is teaching the students. Okay, good. And here, Aman, tell me about this picture, Aman. Hmm.
Ma'am, friends
Huh?
in front of the college.
Ah, yes, they are going to the college. Okay, very good. Okay. They are college students. You found out that. Okay, then what else can you say?
And they are friends.
They are friends. Okay, they are college students. They are friends, and
They
what are they?
chit-chatting.
Sorry.
I'm chit-chatting there.
They are chit chats. Chit chats are going on. They're talking each other. Okay, again, that's fine.
That's it.
Who's that? Yes. Now, yes, Rahul, tell me about this picture.
Children giving gifts to grandparents.
What are they giving?
Gifts.
Gifts. Yeah, gifts. Okay. Then what else? Anybody else? Akshay not interested in the pictures? Akshay? What silly pictures? What is this? Akshay, tell me about this picture.
Children giving gifts to their grandparents.
Okay. So when they receive the gifts, how is their emotion?
They are happy.
They are happy. Okay, okay. And this?
My business conversation.
Okay, it's a conversation. Very good, Alan. Okay, it's a conversation. Between whom? Are they college friends?
No, ma'am.
Then?
It's a business.
Business. Okay, business. Okay, fine. Business, they're having conversation. This? Yeah? Yes, Pavitra? Share your views, please.
Business meeting.
Sorry?
Business meeting.
Business meeting. Oh, you understood this as business meeting. Good. Okay. Then, anybody else who disagree with Pavitra? This is not a business meeting. Aparna, not interested with the pictures?
No, ma'am, it's not a business meeting.
Sorry, your voice is breaking.
Ma'am, it's not a business meeting.
Then?
Something like group session or I don't know. Ma'am.
Okay. Then, okay. Anyways. Okay, so tell me, from all these pictures, what can you conclude about? You saw several pictures now. So what is the common factor in all these pictures? Or the common topic you mentioned about? Okay, so you tell me. From all these pictures, you told me several things. So, what is all these pictures all about? How do you conclude? What could be the topic that we are going to discuss? And also, in the earlier classes, I mentioned about Anish and Alan also. So, what are we going to discuss now?
Interaction.
Sorry?
Interaction.
Interaction. Okay, interaction. Interaction. Any other words?
Conversation.
Communication. Communication. Yes, that's what I wanted to talk to you in this class now. We are going to discuss about communication. But let me tell you, by simply showing you some pictures, you told me that they are all related to communication. Right? In some way or the other, the teacher is teaching something, then meeting was going on, then what else? College students. How did you arrive at this conclusion that it is one way or the other, the communication? Right? Yeah. So how could you conclude that it is something they are talking? They are just pictures. There was no movements. It was not an animated video. Nothing. They were all just pictures. How could you conclude that it is all related to communication? One said the word conversation, then somebody was telling the business meeting, college students chit chats, that was another word. Then, so now tell me, how could you reach that conclusion? You tell me, you only told me about the pictures, no? Pavitra, tell me. You told me that when you saw a picture, you said it was business meeting. How could you tell that? Say.
Because everyone were
Everyone were?
like very focused and
Okay. Okay. So from where did you get, like, how did you arrive at this? Everybody was focusing or attentive, right? How did you understand that they were attentive? Anybody else? Yes, Krishna. She was trying to say something, add something. Yes, Aparna.
By seeing them.
By seeing them, seeing their what? Their head, their hands? What? Yeah, you're right.
Like they were talking like
Yes, they were talking. How did you understand that they were talking? I told you they were just pictures. Yes, Pranav, why silent? Say something.
By seeing their facial expression.
Facial expressions. Very good. That is the word I wanted. The facial expressions. So now tell me, what is communication? What do you understand by communication? Yes, what is communication? I'll give you 5 minutes. No need. 2 minutes time. Okay, 2 minutes time. Write a meaning for communication. Communication. Yes. What is communication? Very simple word. If it is a good one, a fantastic one, I'll recommend it to the textbook or I'll suggest my next batch. According to Anish Salian, communication is, or according to Rahul Ramesh, communication is, okay, let me see. Yes, Pranav Sajan, ready with the meaning, communication?
Ma'am, sharing information through expressions.
Wow, good one. It is sharing. What is it? Communication is
Sharing information
sharing information
with expressions.
with expressions. Okay, good one, good one. Yes, good. Okay, that's according to Pranav Sajan. Good. Now who's ready? Hmm? Yes, Akshay, tell me. What is communication according to you? What is Akshay? Network issue?
The
What is-
exchange of information
Hmm.
through just for those videos, etc.
Your voice was breaking. It is exchange of information through
Different methods.
several methods. Very good. Very good. Yes. It is exchange of information. Good. Yes, it is exchange of information through several methods. So he have changed Pranav's, like he said expression and he has made some changes to it. Some methods. Okay. Yes. Try. Now, what are you people doing now? Like Pranav, Akshay, what did they do? What did they share? What did they communicate? Hmm. Yes, Aparna. Tell me, according to Aparna, what is communication?
Sharing information or fact,
See the next word, fact. Okay, then sharing information, facts.
like through verbal communication or something else.
Fantastic. Verbal communication. Okay, good. Yes, Krishna, thinking? Aparna, what is this verbal communication?
Verbally communicate.
Verbally communicate means what? Yeah.
By talking to each other.
By words, using the words, exchanging the words. Yeah, that is verbal communication. Now, where is Alan and Anish? Tell me the kind of communication that takes place between you. What is that now?
Facial expression.
That is facial expression. Okay, so that is facial expression. Okay, listen everyone. The communication that takes place between Alan and Anish is facial expression. Facial communication, right? That was the term given. Okay, is there any other term for that? Yes? I would call it non-verbal communication. Okay, Aparna, verbal communication is communicating with the help of words. And here we have Alan and Anish communicating. That is called non-verbal communication. So that topic is over. We have two types of communication, verbal communication and non-verbal communication. Okay, clear, no, everyone? Okay, okay, yes, yes. So that topic is over now. Perfect example we have. So what is communication now? Communication is exchange of what all you said, ideas. You told me your ideas, right? You were sharing with me your ideas about communication. So it is the exchange of information, facts, ideas, then thoughts, feelings, all that. You express it, exchange it with the help of what? Akshay said several methods. Yes, either through words, letters, actions, symbols, signals, all that together. This is communication. Okay, so what is communication now? Communication is the exchange of information, facts, ideas, thoughts, feelings, emotions, etc., etc., with the help of signals, symbols, words, gestures, etc. Clear? Okay, no? So we are starting with chapter number 5, communication, business communication. So this communication is very important in our daily life as well as in an organization. Chapter 5, it is all about communication. Okay, so what is communication? Communication is a process of exchanging information, ideas, thoughts, feelings, and emotions through speech, signals, writing, or even with the help of your behavior. Now, how is the communication process? In communication process, a sender, okay, there is a sender, encodes a message, okay, and then using a medium or channel sends it to the receiver. So the sender is called the encoder. You can expect all these as fill in the blanks question. Okay, sender is the encoder and he is encoding, he is sending a message, and then how is it sent? Using a medium or channel. To whom is it sent? To a receiver, and that receiver is called the decoder, who decodes the message, and after processing information, so he has received the message and after understanding it well, sends back appropriate feedback, that is a reply, using a medium or a channel. Okay? So, what is it? The communication process, there is a sender or the encoder encodes a message and then using a medium or channel sends it to the receiver. He is the decoder who decodes the message and after processing information sends back appropriate feedback or reply using a medium or channel. So what is communication and the communication process? And as you know, this communication is very important, not only in your social life, also in your professional life. Okay, you might be very qualified, so much of qualifications, and you have joined a very reputed organization. But if your communication is not good, the communication skill is not good, then you are a failure. Okay, so this communication plays a very important role in your success. Is that right? There are some people, they'll be very educated, very qualified, good personality, everything good. But once they open their mouth, gone, finish. Right? Have you felt so? Yes or no? I have come across such people, so many people. So that is all about communication. So today we discussed only two topics. What is communication and also communication process. Okay. So I wind up now. We'll start with BRS exam. Not, I'm not going. We have exam. Okay. Okay. So I don't want you to leave. We'll start the exam at 3:40. 10 minutes enough? Okay. Okay.